Sunshiny day in Texas. We've got a dually Denali HD from the guys over at McKinney GMC. We're gonna do what we do best, and that is, of course, put a suspension lift on it, wheels and tires, and it's gonna be awesome. Finishing a build always makes me feel really good, especially when it comes to brand new trucks. The 18 Denali HD is finished. She came out looking exactly the way that you want it to look. Them boys over at McKinney GMC are going to be super pumped about this build. We ended up doing the 7-inch suspension lift. We've got some Toyo Open Country RTs looking very good. Some Fuel Maverick simulators. All around very spectacular, very good looking. I'm gonna just do a bunch of pans all around this thing. Take a look at those simulators, and those wheels and tire package looks really, really amazing. That booty dough. Thank you so much for watching. It is Trent with 4x4Works in McKinney, Texas, making it happen for all the brand new trucks. If you've got a GMC, if you've got a truck, if you've got a Jeep, you've got pretty much anything and you want to make it cooler, come on by to see me in McKinney, Texas. Check me out online, 4x4works.com. Check out all my other YouTube videos. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram. Please click that like button. Tell everybody that you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.